Okay, Millie has sketched this curve. Millie states that the points 2, 0 and 4, 0 lie on the curve. Show that Millie is correct. So all you've got to do, right, is show that these coordinates satisfy this particular curve. So, you know, I'll look at the x value there, 2. We put it in to see if it is indeed 0 for y, right? So we can say, look, when x is equal to 2, okay, sub it in there. So we'll have y equals 2 minus 2 squared plus 6 times 2 minus 8. So let's see what it comes out to be. We're hoping it's to be 0, isn't it? Okay. Comes out to be 0. Okay, so therefore, you know, we could say, look, 2, 0 is on the curve. Okay, and that's all you've got to do. And you do the same then for the other point. So when x is 4, do exactly the same thing. Y equals minus 4 squared plus 6 times 4 minus 8. So I'm just subbing it in there. So I can just go back here on the replay button, change that, and it comes out as 0. So therefore, 4, 0 is on the curve. Part B then says calculate the area of the region bounded by the curve and the x-axis. So bounded by the curve and the x-axis, so it's what's bounded here, right? What's sort of inside, bounded. Okay, can't escape, yeah, when it's bounded. So they want that area there between the curve and the x-axis, so basically between 2 and 4. And remember, to get the area, we need to integrate, yeah? So we're going to integrate this, okay, plus 6x minus 8 dx, but to get the area, we want a numerical answer, so it's actually going to be between these numbers here, 2 and 4, right? Between them there. That's the lower limit, that's the upper limit. So let's integrate, box, remember? So we'll increase that power by 1, so you get, and there's a minus in front of the left, so don't forget that minus, but increase that by 1, so you get 3 divided by 3. Increase this by 1, so that's already 1, so you get 2 divided by 2. And then there's no term there, but that's like x to the power 0, so you get x to the power 1 over 1 between 4 and 2. So we tidy that up a little bit, so that stays the same. 6 over 2 is 3, isn't it? And then that's just going to be minus 8x. 4 and 2. So now we've got to put the limits in. So I'll start over here because there's quite a bit to write. So put 4 in to start with. That's the upper limit. And then take away then, put the lower limit in. And if you're careful, you can just do all this in one go on your calculator. Okay, so we've got, let's type that in. So I've got bracket minus fraction 4 cubed over 3, okay, plus 3 times 4 squared minus 8 times 4. Okay, so I've done that right. So close the big bracket, take away then the lower limit. Okay, so I've got minus fraction 2 cubed over 3, okay, plus 3 squared. And you don't have to do it all in one go. You can take your time on it, right? If you're not that confident, you want to make sure you get it right though. Okay, and then press equals, and it comes out to be 4/3. I've got there. Okay.